Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on iPhone. So the first thing that you should see or do is to go to the Wi-Fi and turn it off, and after that turn it back on again. It's like restarting your Wi-Fi, and sometimes it may help with this problem. The second thing that you should do is to turn on the airplane mode for 10 seconds, and after that turn it off again, just like for 10 seconds to disconnect your phone from everything, and after that turn it off again to let your phone connect to the internet. The third thing, if the Wi-Fi is still not working, you have to restart your iPhone and also to restart the router. Restart your phone and leave it closed for 1 minute or 2 minutes and open it again. Another thing that you can do is to forget and reconnect to the network. So you have to go to Wi-Fi and click on the eye next to the Wi-Fi network, and after that choose the first option, forget this network, and after that connect again with it. The other thing that you can do, or one of the other things that you can do, is to check the password of your Wi-Fi, because the Wi-Fi passwords are case sensitive. So you have to check if you already entered the right password or not, and double check your password because mistakes happen sometimes. Also, you have to move closer to the router if you are the router is so far from you, because sometimes if you stay so far from the router, you can't connect to the internet and you get disconnected from your Wi-Fi. Another thing is to turn off a VPN. If you are using a VPN, you have to turn it off and try to connect again. And also, sometimes you have to just update your iPhone if you didn't update your iPhone for a long time. So to do that, you have to go to settings. After that, go to general, and after that go to software update and check if there is an update for your phone and do it. And after that you can reset the network settings if you want. And to reset the network settings, because resetting will remove saved Wi-Fi password and also cellular network settings and VPN settings and APN settings, but it will not delete any of your photos of your app. So to reset the network settings, you have to go to general, and after that go to transfer or reset iPhone. You have to look for it, the last option, and after that you have to reset network settings. So click on reset and choose only reset network settings and complete the process. And the last option that you can try is to test another Wi-Fi network. Try to connect your iPhone with another Wi-Fi to know if the problem is from your iPhone or from the network. And the last thing, to check that the Wi-Fi is really working or not, or the problem maybe is from the application or the website that you are using. You can go to an application like this speed test application, open it and try to test your internet, and it will show you if like the download and upload are working, so you can easily know that the problem is not with the Wi-Fi or the internet. So that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget also to like this video, and see you in the next one.